Hey, good morning, everybody. Jen Cravassi here at JBCo Baits, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick Monday, Championship Monday glance at what's going on in the JBCo Baits workshop. So I'm prepping orders this morning. Of course, I'm always prepping orders, but I just wanted to show you a couple of different patterns. So I've got a new pattern coming out. This is the Muscle Shoals Shad. It's got a copper gleam iridescence on top. Very well detailed and veined. Fluorescent orange on the belly, some pearl white, a little bit of pineapple on the sides. It's a yellow. That's just what Createx calls it. Fading up into a green and a very dark green veining on the top. This is the White Lightning, and I'm going to get it under this light. I'm calling it White Lightning because of the veining in it. So I did a two-tone vein in this, black on the back side, white on the front side. And it kind of looks like a thunderstorm to me. Clouds. So that's what I'm calling it. Very cool patterns. I think this would be great for walleye, for bass, even some of the larger panfish. I think perch would hit this as well. Definitely the white bass. Real happy with that. And just some basics. Smallmouth have been tearing this up north. Got some black and white. These are on the Dinger 100 SP Duo prototypes. It's a silver black back with a hint of lime green yellow on the side. And just that throat. Just enough to give it a little bit of a pop. These are going out today as well. This is a watermelon seed, custom wart, also Dinger blank. Just real high quality blanks there. Rainbow trout going out. This is the Delta Blue Gilly. It's on that Dinger Little John pattern. There you have it. Got a couple more of them. Heading up to Indiana. Just a super tight pattern. Really going to do some damage. Great all-around pattern. And just briefly, we've got some X-Reps. These are actual X-Rep blanks. I've been really doing well with this particular color pattern with the green veining underneath, with smallmouth in my neck of the woods, lake and river. So this has been called the Pycho crappie. It's also been called the Calico crappie. And recently, one of my customers said, "Hey, you really ought to call this thing the Dalmation." So this might get a new name. Leave your comments below. Should this be the Dalmation, or should we keep it as a Pycho/Calico crappie? Kind of looks like Dalmation. I like that. Okay, the Urukus. And just a basic Tennessee shad pattern, but this has got, you can see the glow walleye eyes on it. Just a really good, effective S-crank style, also from Dinger. There you go. There's your little shot of the week for Dinger Custom Baits. Guy does some of the best blanks. And if you guys are following along Kentucky Lake like I am, you know that Skeet was absolutely destroying with a Lucky Craft pattern. Lucky Craft calls this their copper green shad, or their green copper shad. I added a little bit more green to the sides. The actual Lucky Craft pattern, let's see if I can get on, there we go. The Lucky Craft pattern incorporates a lot more white up the sides. But there you have it, just under the light. Got a lot of pearl in the top. Good for stained or regular water, clear water. That's it for the morning. You guys have a great week. See you on the water.